Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to, yes, Stage 4 Fiesta ST is in the background. We're in Garage 32 and yeah, we've got Trackday stroke Shakedown. We use it as a shakedown. Enduro KA has just been rebuilt and yeah, we're just going to give it a shakedown. We have had one little issue with overheating, but it's, yeah, we're not worried about it. Actually, there's something that's been or happened, should I say, and we knew. I think there's probably an airlock in there. Yeah, a little Enduro case going around the background there actually. I think that's we've got Olly Turner again, we've got Boniface. I'll go and chat to him later for you as well. And we've got a new guy who's in the team as well. His name's Joshua Law. He's in there, he's joining us on the track day. And he will be joining us for the sprints this year, which is literally in a couple of weekends time, or a weekend time even, so really soon. So yeah, there is content coming from the KAs and from our racing, so keep an eye on the channel for that, and keep an eye on the rest of the video. We'll try and get you some nice car action, in-car action, and yeah, watch on and enjoy. halfway through the day, and yeah, like I say, some of the lads have been out in the car as well as myself, and just used the helmet here. But no, it's so far so good. The car's holding up really, really well. Definitely feels like we think a little bit quicker, so we can't time, so we can't be sure, but the car does definitely feel quicker, which is good. A little bit more sure-footed and definitely quicker. So yeah, it puts us in good stead to have some good races in the sprints that are coming up in a couple of weeks' time, or a week time, should I say. Yeah, all is well. Car's surviving. I've got to drive it home as well. No, so far so good. So yeah, a lot of nice machinery around there. Yeah, you probably would have seen from the sessions, or some parts of the sessions, because I don't like showing too much to my enemies. Only joking. But yeah, all good. I can't complain. Car's intact. Like I say, we're only halfway through the day, so there's a lot more sessions going to be out there, or I say sessions, more time to be had out there. But yeah, it's been good. Keep watching. I'll get you some more track action. session and day done. Joe just sorting things out. Nice DC5, lovely. Yeah, it's been a good day. Good day at Brands. Good day at Brands. Do you want to say anything, Charles Boniface?
I mean,
got anything to say?
We've had a good day. Pace seems pretty decent in the car. We're all quite happy.
Yep.
Relatively easy as well, so we've not pushed too hard. We've still found some pretty decent pace. Other than that, if you haven't already, please go check out my Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe on Peakperformance Reviews as well.
Yeah. I'll drop all of Charles's links in the bio. Excuse the helmet hair. Yeah, no, it's been a really good day. Car feels good. It feels stable and nice, and it's held together. So we just got to check out a few things, because obviously the engine was rebuilt. You smell kind of things, and it feels sometimes like you think the car's hot, and we just need to make sure everything's okay. So once I kind of get home, coming days and especially the weekend coming, I'm just going to check the car over with the guys at Essex and Bodies and try and get their words. And we're going to also look at probably making sure that the fan works in the correct way as well. But yeah, no, apart from that, car feels really stable, feels good. Obviously I'm going to be able to drive at home as well, which is always a good thing. Charles has enjoyed himself. Joshua was really good, had great pace, enjoyed it as well. And considering he drives a car that does 47-second laps around here, to you know, the kind of lap times that that's doing, it's crazy. So he loved it, he really enjoyed it, as did Olly Turner. Links in the bio to all the drivers bios and pages, etc. Go check them out. Really good bunch of guys. Yeah, like I say, successful day, been brilliant. Love Brands Hatch, brilliant circuit. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, like, share, comment and subscribe. We'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.